Hey, give me some money. I want more beer.
I don't have money for your beer. I am sick. Please take me to the hospital.
What are you saying? I said give me some money.
I am not feeling well. Please take me to the hospital.
Stop saying lie. I will kick you out from my house.
Stop it. That enough. I am your wife. Give me some respect.
How is my wife? What happened to her?
She has a fever. I injected her. She will be fine soon.
Okay, good. Can I take her home now? I will take care of her.
I will give her some medicines. She has to take some medicines for a week.
I didn't need your medicines. She will be fine. I don't have money.
You should take care of her. She is pregnant.
What? Oh my God. She is pregnant. We don't need your medicines. We are going home. Come on, baby, let's go home.
Have you lost your mind? Don't grab her like this.
Who are you? Keep your mouth shut. Understand? This is my personal matters.
If you don't listen to me, I will call the security guards. No, please, I don't want any trouble. I want to go home.
That's like a good girl. Let's go.
I love you. You are my husband. Why do you beat me? You are going to be father soon. You need to change yourself. You should find a job. We need more money for our child.
Shut up. I don't need job. Where is money? I want more beer.
Please understand. We have to save money for our baby.
No way. I don't want this baby. You have to make an appointment with a lady doctor. Do you hear me? I don't want this baby. I want beer.
What? Go to hell. I will not give up on my baby. I want this baby.
How dare you talk to me like that? I will kill this baby.
Have you lost your mind? You want to kill your own baby.
I have already told you. I don't want this baby.
Please don't do this to me. I am your wife. This is our baby.
If you want to stay with me, you have to give up on your baby.
Never, I cannot do this. It will not happen.
Get out from my house. You cannot stay with me. Get lost.
Please don't kick me out. How could you do this to me? Open the door. I am your wife. Please. I love you.
Get lost. I don't want to see you again. You cannot stay with me.
Who is knocking on the door? Hold on a second. I am coming. Emma, my baby, how are you? I missed you so much.
I miss you too, Dad. How are you?
I am fine, my baby. How about you? Where's your husband? What happened? Why are you crying? Please don't cry. Tell me what happened.
He left me, Dad. He kicked me out. He just beats me. I loved him a lot, Dad. He wastes my money. I am pregnant. He does not want this baby. He wanted to kill my baby. I am all alone, Mom. My life is over.
Don't cry, my baby. I am alive now. You are not alone. You will stay with me. He does not deserve you. I am happy for this baby. I will take care of you.
I don't want to be burden on you, Dad.
What are you saying? Daughters are not burden on their parents. I also have a job. We will take care of each other. You need to rest. I will see who is knocking on door.
Hello, Mr. Dawson. Where is the rent? I don't want to hear any lame excuses. I want my rent.
Please give me few more days. I am sick these days. I don't have money. My daughter is pregnant. I also need some money for her.
You have been saying this for last 3 months. I want my rent right now.
Please, son, give me some time. Things have been tight lately.
Shut up. This is my house. I am your landlord. If you don't give my rent in 2 days, I will kick you out from my house. That my warning. I hope you got it.
Please listen to me.